an American culinary institution. When you think of an American summer, one image invariably comes to mind: a Nathan's famous hot dog. What started as a small nickel Frankfurter stand on Coney Island in 1916 has blossomed into a global powerhouse of food production. But creating that iconic snap, the sound and texture that fans crave, requires far more than a simple recipe. It demands a highly synchronized industrial ballet where raw, premium ingredients are transformed through cutting-edge engineering into a product that remains remarkably consistent, whether it's served at a ballpark or a backyard barbecue. The history. From Coney Island to global phenomenon, Nathan's Famous was founded by Polish immigrant Nathan Handwerker and his wife Ida. Their secret wasn't just in the meat, but in Ida's grandmother's spice recipe, a blend so secretive it remains one of the most guarded formulas in the food industry today. As the brand's popularity exploded, the challenge became maintaining that handcrafted quality on a massive scale. To achieve this, the company transitioned from manual stuffing to a fully automated high-efficiency factory model. Today, Nathan's utilizes sophisticated vacuum technology and robotic precision to ensure that the legacy started over a century ago in Brooklyn is preserved in every bite. Step 1. Precision grinding and temperature control. The journey begins with premium cuts of beef and pork, hand-selected to achieve the perfect lean-to-fat ratio. These cuts are fed into colossal industrial grinders equipped with ultra-sharp rotating blades that handle hundreds of pounds of meat per minute. Unlike standard kitchen mincing, these machines are feats of engineering designed to break down the meat into a fine, even texture while strictly maintaining a chilled temperature. This rigorous thermal control is essential. It prevents the fat from rendering too early and ensures the meat stays fresh as it moves toward the next phase of the assembly line. Step 2. Vacuum mixing and the secret spice blend. Once ground, the meat enters massive industrial vacuum mixers, which are the heart of the operation. Here, Nathan's guarded spice mix is introduced along with measured amounts of water and curing solutions. The use of vacuum technology is a game changer. By removing excess air during the blending process, the machine creates a denser, tighter meat paste. This lack of air pockets is exactly what produces the signature snap when the hot dog is finally bitten into. Overlapping paddles knead the mixture with surgical precision, ensuring the spices and curing agents are distributed with 100% uniformity. Step 3. High-speed stuffing and uniform slicing. The smooth meat paste is then transferred to self-feeding hoppers that direct the mixture into high-speed stuffing machines. Using natural or plant-based casings, the machines pump the paste with incredible pressure to avoid any gaps or irregularities. As the continuous sausage link emerges, automated high-speed measuring blades kick into action. These blades slice the link into individual hot dogs with such accuracy that not a fraction of an inch is out of place. This level of uniformity is paramount for consistent cooking times and packaging across all Nathan's products. Step 4. Thermal transformation in steam ovens. The raw, pale links now enter massive steam ovens, which are technological marvels of heat distribution. These ovens rely on a delicate balance of moisture and temperature, monitored by automated sensors to ensure every hot dog is cooked evenly from the core to the surface. The steam keeps the casings tender and elastic while the heat activates the curing agents, locking in the savory flavors. After cooking, the hot dogs move through a drying area where excess surface moisture is removed, resulting in the firm yet juicy texture that defines the brand. Step 5. Flash chilling and cryogenic preservation. To preserve freshness and food safety for global shipping, the hot dogs immediately enter a flash chilling tunnel. Powerful jets of icy air blast the products from all directions, rapidly lowering their internal temperature. This thermal shock is vital. It prevents bacterial growth and locks in the flavor profile created in the ovens. Because the cooling happens so quickly, the inner structure of the hot dog remains intact, ensuring that when the consumer eventually reheats it, the product tastes as if it has just come straight from the factory oven. Step 6. Robotic packaging and cold chain logistics. In the final stage, human contact is virtually eliminated to maintain the highest hygiene standards. Robotic arms sort the chilled hot dogs into precise groupings for retail or food service packs. These bundles are then vacuum sealed in durable airtight plastic to prevent freezer burn and extend shelf life. Once labeled and verified by automated scanners, the packs are loaded onto refrigerated trucks arriving at its destination in peak condition.